Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, December the 14th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room. It's a free room. I share my screen all day long, and I get live on the mic at 9 o'clock, and I go up to 4 o'clock every day, Eastern Time, of course. And if you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link you can use. There's a promo code there. It costs you about $5, a little over $5 a day for our premium package on an annual basis. And yes, the room is free. There are no credit cards, no nothing. Come on in as a guest, no problem. All right. Well, today is FOMC day, and I found it a very difficult day to trade in terms of trends and things like that. I made one mistake. I'll go over that just a little bit. The only thing that kind of saved me today is this AKAO. Now, of course, if you've been in the room for the last 2 days, you know this has been an extremely. Let me just bring up the daily chart. If you're not familiar with it, on Monday, right? Friday, I guess. Friday it was $5, and yesterday it hit 16.28 or so. So the thing is that they kept announcing that they were going to be doing a financing, and finally somebody had posted that it looked like the financing was going to be done at $13.50. So what I did was I decided to short this, and I was going to hold this as an overnight short. I didn't take a huge number of shares just in case it did do a crazy pop on me, but I got short right around here, right towards the end of the market. Was at 14.93. And woke up this morning and saw this beautiful little downturn here, and basically closed out the majority of my position at 13.93, and that was it. So it took about $1 on this one, and it's a good thing because really for the rest of the day, nothing really happened for me. Let's see if I want to go into anything at all. SMRT, I might be watching going forward to see if this gets over 6 tomorrow. Take a look at the time frame on this. On the daily, see a nice little void now. So that's something that I'm probably going to watch tomorrow, maybe even today if it gets over 6. I was in this one earlier, took like about a 4-cent profit. Here is my mistake, and I call it a mistake because the first time I was a little distracted, and the second time I was literally answering a question when the pop happened. But this is one of the few earnings plays today. And let's see, here's the pop, and this is the after hours. This is after hours yesterday. They released earnings, so here's the massive pop. Saw this in the pre-market, didn't really do anything, and then it took out the pre-market high right there. See that? And so I got into the trade at what was the price? 113.40, right about here. 113.40. So remember, these are 15-minute candles. It had a nice pop all the way up to 113.89, which I missed. I got slightly distracted, and I missed that pop. Held on, and then on this one, unfortunately, and that's a beautiful pop, almost $1 for me. I was answering a question of somebody, and it just came so quickly down. But there's no question I could have got out some. I could have at least made money on this one. As it turns out, I ended up taking a loss as it moved down below 13. So hit this one, just slightly distracted, and this one, unfortunately, was answering a question. It happens. Not the end of the world. Gentex. I'm still in this one. This is from Holly, Gentex. And I'm in the trade at 2029. Now, the only reason I took this trade, because first of all, we are at it was getting close to FOMC. FOMC, in fact, is in less than 24 minutes. The minutes will be read at 2 o'clock, and so typically, I wouldn't want to take a trade that close. However, this is from a new strategy that we have, and it's called Accelerator. Why I liked it and was intrigued by it. It showed up yesterday. 83% win percentage, almost a 12 profit factor. Obviously huge. The strategy made the cut yesterday, but there were no trades that were. We didn't get any trades from it. Obviously, none of the filters were met. The trigger was not met, so there was nothing. So this was the first one. And unfortunately, it's on a day again in which there's not a lot of trend continuation. Yesterday, this is a lifetime high for it. I noticed this yesterday on my lifetime high alert. So 2039 is the lifetime high. There's a part of me that's, depending how it closes, that I might even swing this one, assuming it does hold 20. But if it goes down, even if it goes down here, I may get out of it, but then I may get back into it depending how it closes. So, the jury's still out on this one, but I just felt I had to take this one just in case, based on that win percentage and profit factor, that it really zipped along. The only other problem with it is that it does have 282 million shares in the float, so it's going to take a bit to move it. So that is really it. I did take a little scalp on Alexion, and it is still moving up a little bit. I took a scalp right around here actually on the 113 break. Got in at 113.05, sold some at 113.45, and then up here. So, or on the way down, I sold it. Again, it's just kind of a choppy day for me. So, get rid of FOMC and hopefully back to normal tomorrow. All right. Well, I definitely want to get back into the room and be prepared for when the FOMC is minutes are red, and that's about 22 minutes from now. So I'll close this down in a quick video today. Close it down. Again, this is how to get into the room. I usually open the room at about 8:45 and 8:45 Eastern time, of course, and I get live on the mic between 9 and up to 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully see you in our room tomorrow. And let's hang on for FOMC, see if there are any fireworks. A lot of talk about maybe they'll finally increase interest rates, but who knows. So we'll see you tomorrow in our trading room. Bye-bye.